How do you trade odd? As I told you, it is the same way as even, okay? You come and count between even numbers and odd numbers. Which of the two has more of their numbers above 10%? What do I mean? Like in this example, here we have volatility 100, okay? First thing, I will come and count the number of even numbers which are above 10%, okay? Let us count together. 0, no, so leave it. 2 is not 10%, 4 is, we count it 1, 6 it's not, 8 is not. So we have 2, okay? We have 2 numbers which are above 10% in the even number section, okay? And then we come to odd numbers. How many odd numbers are above 10%? 1 is above 10, so we count it 1. 3 is not, so we don't count it. 5 is 2, 7, 3, and 9. So, as you can see, we have 2 against 3. Okay, that is a very risky one. So, what do I mean? You make sure that between even numbers and odd numbers, there is a difference between 2 numbers in the 10% sector. Don't worry, I will show you. Let us go to another one. And I remember I told you to trade 1S. So as you can see, we were not trading 1S. That's why the market was not very favorable. Now we go to volatility 10 1S. 0, no. 2, no. 4, no. 6, no. 6 is, yeah, we count it 1. And 8, no. So we have only one even number which is above 10%. Okay? And then you count all numbers. 1, it is not yet. Okay, 3, we count it 1, 5, 2, 7, no, and 3. So you have 3 against 1. As you can see, that is very favorable because it is 1 against 3. 3 of the even numbers, 3 of the odd numbers are above 10%, and 1 even number is above 10%. As you can see, there's a difference of about 2 numbers, which is very favorable, okay? And as you can see, 1 has also joined the 10% mark. So we have 1, 2, 3, right, and 4. As you can see, 4 against 1. So that market is a strong odd market. Okay? Now, this is how you place your entry. And I want you to listen carefully. If you have a notebook, you can write it down. I want you to listen very, very carefully. When trading odd, you wait for the ticker to touch an even number, and then you place odd. Okay? Now, what do I mean? So, you come here, okay? And, okay, something has happened in the market. I know some of you have noticed, all right? I told you, never trade in a market which has more than 2 green bars, more than 1 green bar, or more than 1 red bar. Because it shows us that is a very unstable market. So, never fear, just shift. But as you can see, it has stabilized. But if it turns green again in 2 numbers, you just shift. Especially if it is an even number and a non number, just shift, okay? Now, how do you place your trade here? Now, I will show you. Now, as you can see, you have 2 red bars. So this is a very unfavorable market to shift. I told you, trading is not, you just keep shift because it is your money. Remember, you're using your money here. You don't want to risk your money because you're impatient, okay? As you can see, this is unfavorable. All right. Let us go to volatility 51S until you find the perfect setup. Never fear. Now, so these are as 1 green bar and 1 red bar. Let us count now. How many odd numbers are above 10%? We have 1, 3, 2, 5, no, 7, 3. We have only 3 odd numbers which are above 10%. How many even numbers are above 10%? 0 is not, 2, 1, 4, 2, 6. So that is a very unfavorable. Why? Because you have equal number of odd numbers and even numbers. Again, just shift. All right. Now you're in volatility 75 1S. All right. Now we come and count again. Never fear. Now 0, no. Oh, 0, 1, 2, no. 4, no. 6, 2, 8, 3. So you have 3 even numbers above 10%. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying, okay? If you feel like you're lost, just rewind and follow up, okay? And if you have any question, put it in the comment section. Now let us count odd numbers. Odd numbers you have, no, it's only 5 which is above 10 and 7, 3. So you have again equal. No, don't worry, again, shift, okay? When you shift again, you come and look for another setup. Always keep changing, and make sure your Wi-Fi connection is very, very strong. If your Wi-Fi connection is poor, just go near your router and trade there, okay? You don't want to risk your trades. So this is not favorable. Why? Because you have 2 red bars. So that's a very a very, very volatile market. It might lead to you going losses again. So you come back down, go up again. When you reach volatility 100, don't trade for 150. Don't trade these two. Okay? Don't these two volatility 150 1s and 250. Leave them alone. Okay? Just come back to 10 1s again until you find your perfect setup. Always be patient, and please don't leave the video because I want you to see how it is. You know, people think that trading is easy. No, it isn't. But if you're patient with it, you can do wonders. So, okay, this is good. So we count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 6, no, 8, 3. So you have 3 even numbers. You count again. So 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a strong even market, but you want to trade odd, all right? If you wanted to trade even, you will trade even right then. It will be perfect because the setup was wonderful. So we count odd numbers again. 1, 2. You go, so you have only 3 odd numbers which are above 10%. We count even. 1, 2. So 2 against 3. I said that, and I said again, make sure that the difference is 2 numbers and above. All right? Yeah, so we can keep changing. As I'm doing this, you can also be doing it in your tab as you're listening to me telling you. So let us see this. 0, no, 2, no. Okay, so we have 1. We have I think so. You have 1. Okay, we have 2. We have 3 even numbers. How many odd numbers do we have? We have 1. No. How many odd numbers do you have which are above 10%? As you can see, this is a strong even market again. So there's shift. Now, this is where I wanted to tell you something. When you see the 1S is not favoring your strategy, either you switch to another trade type or use volatility, the other normal volatilities. As you can see today, the market is not very favorable to our own market. So when we like our perfect setup, we can shift and look for another volatility. So we will use the normal volatilities, the one which do not have 1S. Okay. So now we're in volatility 100 1S. Let us count together. So 1 is above 10, so we count it. 2, 3, and then 5, 3. Okay, 4. So as you can see, this is not bad. Okay, as you can see, 1 is above 10%, 3 is above 10%, 5 is above 10%, and 7 is above 10%. Okay, so you have 1, 2. Okay, you have 3 and you have 4. How many odd numbers are above 10%? You have 0, 1. No, 0, don't count it. So you have 1. Yeah, I think so. You have only 1 even number against 3 to 4 odd numbers. So these are very strong odd market. Remember, when trading even odd, don't say that because green is in an even number, you trade even. No. When you do that, and I know most of you have lost your money when you're trading that way. You see, the green bar is at 2, so we'll trade even. No, don't do that. Remember to use the strategy that I've taught you. Now, let us wait for the perfect setup. So we come here and you wait for the ticker to touch an even number, then you trade odd. All right. As you can see, these are very nice odd market. So you have 1, 2, and you have 3. How many even numbers? So even numbers, you have 1, 2. Okay, even market is gaining strength, as I can see. You have only 2. You're still okay. So you have to be very, very quick. If you have a bot, go place your settings in the bot immediately. If you're trading manually, you can use any. But I prefer most of the time to trade manually because it allows me to react to the market. You know, when you're using the bot, you can forget to analyze the market, and the market can change against you. Okay, so let us do this. So we wait for it. Okay, so wait for it to touch the most appearing number, and then you place odd. So when you wait for it, as you can see, what has happened, guys? 2 green bars. I told you, always be very quick to react. That's why I say always, when you're not sure about your strategies, don't use the bots first. You can try and use a manual trading. Okay, but let us trade. No worries. The market is still favorable to the odd market. Okay, now where are we? So we wait for it to touch any even number and then you place odd. Okay, now we wait. Let's wait, guys, and especially wait for it to touch the one with the green bar and then you place odd. As you can see, now the market has become So here we'll advise you to place quickly and then you leave immediately. So you'll be very quick. All right, as you can see, it's a win, guys. So guys, as you can see, it is a very nice strategy. Go try it. If you experience any problem trading it, there is a group. My number is in the bio. Ask me and I will show you, or just put it in the comment section. It will be easier for me to track it because I have very many messages in my WhatsApp, so I might not be able to see your message. So guys, go try it. It is a very, very nice method, and if it works, make sure you let others know. And if you know anyone who's interested, let them know of this channel. And yeah, so guys, make sure you ask for the bots. The offer is about to go very soon. The bots will be going for a price. So guys, be vigilant. Go to the WhatsApp group, join it immediately, and get your bot. Okay, thank you for watching and good luck.